If you're trying to go viral on YouTube Shorts and you feel stuck because you're putting in so much effort but seeing no results, then I want you to steal a secret formula from me that has generated me millions of views. It's a 5-step formula where if done right, I guarantee you it will skyrocket your views. And it's a formula that almost every great creator follows, so trust me, you're gonna wanna watch this entire video so you can be the next great creator everyone looks up to. Let's start at the very beginning. The first step out of the 5 is to pinpoint who is your target audience. Your target audience is the people you're creating your videos for. For example, here at Submagic, we create videos that give creators advice on how they can get more followers, edit their videos better, and how to make money from their content. So our target audience would be content creators. The first thing you want to do is write down exactly who you're creating your videos for and who you want to watch your videos. By creating videos targeted to a specific kind of people, they're more likely to watch your video and engage, which in turn will boost your video in the algorithm. If you need help coming up with your target audience, just ask yourself, what age are the people you're creating content for? Where do they live? What's their gender? What do they do for a living? And what's their average income? Combine the answers to all these questions and you have your target audience. The second step after you pinpoint who your target audience is to understand their pain points and desires. The videos that go the most viral consistently on the internet are the ones that talk about a problem a specific group of people have and give a solution to solve that problem. For example, at the start of this video, I talked about a problem that most creators have, and that's putting in so much effort into the videos and not seeing the views they like. And now I'm giving you the solution to solve that problem. The reason these videos work so well is because it plays on the viewer's emotion. Whenever you can get an emotional response from the viewer, they are more likely to watch the video because they're emotionally invested. So for your videos to consistently go viral, it is critical to understand the biggest pain points and problems that your target audience has. Now this can be hard to do, but I have a ChatGPT prompt that you can use to find the biggest pain points and desires that your target audience has. What you need to do is go to ChatGPT and tell it who is your target audience. Then you're gonna ask 4 questions that will find your target audience's biggest pain points and desires. You're gonna ask ChatGPT, what keeps my target audience awake at night? What are they afraid of? What are their top daily frustrations? And what do they want the most? In the end, you'll have 40 pain points and desires that you can use in your videos to induce an emotional response and get more views. Now, the third step to getting more views on your shorts is coming up with viral content ideas. There are hundreds of ways to find content ideas, but to find proven ideas that have gone viral, here are my 3 favorite methods. First, go on TikTok and search for a keyword that relates to your industry. For example, we create videos on giving tips to content creators, so we would put down content creator tips. Then to find ideas that have gone viral, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Click filters, then select sort by like count and date posted in the last 3 months. Then all the videos will be sorted by the most popular, and you can use these proven viral video ideas as inspiration for your next video. The second way to find proven viral content ideas is to go to answerthepublic.com. Answer the Public will return the most searched questions on Google related to a topic. All you need to do is put in a topic related to your content and press search. Then the most asked questions related to that topic will be returned. Make a video giving an answer to any of the top search questions returned, and you'll have a proven video that will get your target audience interested. The third method you can use to find content ideas is to use Viral Finder. Viral Finder will find the most viewed videos of someone in your space. All you have to do is input the username of someone who creates similar videos to you that's killing it, and then all their videos will be sorted by their most views and engagement. You'll now have plenty proven content ideas that you can use for inspiration for your own videos. I've used these methods to get content ideas for myself. It's the reason I have multiple videos with over 100,000 views. The fourth step to creating viral YouTube shorts is scripting your content. Now there are 3 main parts to creating viral scripts that we're going to go over. The first part is the hook, which is the most important part of your video. The hook will decide if someone stays on your video or scrolls past it. And the hook is whatever you say in the first 3 to 5 seconds, so you have to make it as captivating as possible because it's the difference between them scrolling away and never caring about anything you say or having them stop to stick around to listen to everything you have to say. And there was a study done that showed that 80% of readers decide to read a book or article based on the title alone, so think of the hook of your video as the title. If someone isn't interested in the hook, they will not watch your video for more than 5 seconds. An easy formula I use to create captivating hooks is to call out a pain point of my target audience, you have this from step 2, and to add curiosity to the solution. As an example, if I was going to repurpose this YouTube video as a short, the hook I would use is, if you're struggling to go viral on YouTube Shorts, I have a secret to get more views you probably didn't know about. The pain point here that I mentioned was struggling to go viral on YouTube Shorts, and the curiosity to the solution was, I have a secret to get more views you probably didn't know about. We here at Submagic also have 50 plus viral hook templates that you can use in your videos. We researched the most viral shorts online and found the hooks that were used the most and performed the best. And to get this list of 50 hook templates, all you have to do is join our Discord community using the link in the description. The second part to creating viral scripts is the body. We have to confirm to the viewer that what you are hooking them in for is actually a problem and you have an actual solution. This is the second most important part of making a great script for your short because the viewer is looking for any reason to click off by you not delivering on your promise in the hook. The key here is to give a solution so good that they save the video and try to do the solution right away. Let's build off our hook, which was, if you're struggling to go viral on YouTube Shorts, I have a secret to get you more views you probably didn't know about. The secret that I can give here, which is the solution, is using Submagic to automatically add dynamic captions to their videos. It's a solution the viewer can try right away and will get them results because captions have been proven to increase the views on your videos because a large percentage of people actually watch shorts without audio. Just another valuable tip right there. Now, on top of giving a solution, it's also great to give an example. An example lets the audience see what they're currently doing and what they could be doing better. An example for our short that we've been building out is showing a clip without any captions and then showing one with the dynamic captions from Submagic. Keep this in mind, it's important to show, not tell. If you're showing someone how the captions should look, they're a lot more likely to believe you and take action versus telling them. Now, the last part to creating a viral script is the call to action. After you give your example, explain to the viewer how this is going to help them move forward and get them the result that they're looking for. And then to end the video off, give them direction to take your desired action. As an example, if I want more followers or subscribers, a call to action that I can use at the end of my video would be, if you want to learn more strategies to exponentially grow your views, hit that subscribe button. One mistake I see creators making over and over again is having a lazy call to action like follow for more tips. Instead, to really get the viewer interested in your call to action, mention a desired result they get from doing it. In the example I just did, I said if you want to learn more strategy to exponentially grow your views, hit that subscribe button. Before I even said my call to action, which was to subscribe, I gave a reason to the viewer why they should, and that reason was a result that they desire, which is getting more views. Having call to actions like these will increase the chance that the viewer actually does your call to action. Now, the final step to creating a viral short is the editing. The editing, in my opinion, is what makes or breaks the short, because you'll be given the cure to cancer in your video, but if it's just a video of you talking and nothing else, not many people are going to watch it. Now, the editing is related to the hook, because the hook of the video draws us in and makes us want to watch the rest of the video. The editing is what keeps the video engaging so a viewer doesn't get bored and scrolls. If you look on Instagram or TikTok, you'll see some of the best creators that have the most viral shorts have the best editing. So here's some tips to improve the editing on your short. First and foremost, you need to have engaging captions on your shorts. We went through this before, but again, captions are crucial to help someone follow along in the video, and by having captions that are unique, different, and popping up left, right, and center, it keeps the video very engaging. Easy way to create these captions is just by using Submagic. With Submagic, simply upload your video and these dynamic captions will automatically be placed. You can also change the style of the captions and the colors to match your brand. The second editing tip to improve your shorts is to add different graphics and images. Most people are visual learners, so at all times throughout your short, add different graphics and pictures that relate to what you talk about. Not only will it help the viewer understand what you're talking about more, but it also keeps the video very engaging. Now, the last editing tip, which I think is the most important, is what's called the 3-second rule. The 3-second rule means that the video should not be stagnant for more than 3 seconds. As an example, if you're talking in front of the camera on the short, the video should not just be you talking for more than 3 seconds at any time without anything else popping up. Anything more than 3 seconds and the viewer will start to get bored. So to ensure that doesn't happen, every 3 seconds, something should happen in the video, whether that's a transition, an image or graphic popping up, showing a screen recording, or a punch-in. By using this rule for all your videos, you can be sure you're keeping your video engaging and giving no reason to the viewer as to why they should just scroll to the next video. So to recap, to create a viral YouTube short, use these 5 steps. First, pinpoint who your target audience is and who you're creating your videos for. Second is to understand your target audience's pain points and desires so you can make videos that induce an emotional response, leading to more of your target audience watching your videos. Third is to come up with viral content ideas, and again, you can do this through TikTok, Answer the Public, and Viral Finder. Fourth is to script out the content using our 3-step framework of hook, body plus example, and call to action. Then finally, the 5th step is to edit your video so they're engaging. It gives no reason for the viewer to just scroll to the next video. And again, we can do this by using Submagic to automatically add dynamic captions on your video and by following the 3-second rule. Follow these 5 steps and I can guarantee you will see a huge bump in views on your video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to learn more tips on how to improve your videos and grow your following, and I'll see you in the next one.